Hello everyone, welcome back to MyFXBack. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most interesting stories in the crypto world right now. A cryptocurrency that was once created by Telegram, raised billions of dollars from investors, got shut down by US regulators, and somehow survived. And now, years later, the community wants to bring back its original name, Gram. But here's the big question. At the time of recording this video, TON is trading around $1.7. Can this rebranding help the project regain its former glory? Could it even push the price toward a new all-time high in the future? Let's find out. To understand what's happening today, we need to go back to 2017. Telegram founders Pavel Durov and Nikolai Durov had a bold vision. They wanted to build a blockchain that could be integrated directly into Telegram. The blockchain was called Telegram Open Network, or TON, and its native cryptocurrency was called Gram. The goal was simple but powerful. Imagine sending money as easily as sending a message on Telegram. This idea attracted huge attention from investors around the world. In 2018, Telegram raised approximately $1.7 billion through private funding rounds. At the time, it became one of the largest fundraising events in crypto history. Investors believed that if Telegram integrated Gram into its massive user base, crypto adoption could accelerate dramatically. Everything seemed to be moving in the right direction. But then things changed. In 2019, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, also known as the SEC, filed a lawsuit against Telegram. The regulator argued that the sale of Gram tokens violated securities laws. After a lengthy legal battle, Telegram officially stepped away from the project in 2020. For many people, this looked like the end of TON and Gram, but surprisingly, it wasn't. The project survived because its code was already open source. Developers from the community continued building the network independently. Telegram Open Network became the Open Network, and Gram was renamed Toncoin, or TON. Over the following years, the ecosystem continued to grow. We saw Telegram wallet integration, mini apps, Notcoin, USDT on TON, and many other developments. TON was no longer just an abandoned project. It became one of the fastest growing blockchain ecosystems connected to Telegram. Now comes the latest development. The TON community has been discussing and supporting a return to the original name, Gram. For some investors, this is simply a rebranding effort. But for longtime supporters, it's about restoring the original identity of the project. After all, Gram was the name that started everything. And that connection to Telegram's original vision still carries a lot of meaning. Now let's talk about the question many investors are asking. At the time of making this video, TON is trading around $1.7 per coin. Can changing the name back to Gram help push the price higher? In my opinion, a rebranding alone is not enough. What really matters is adoption, user growth, ecosystem development, and Telegram's continued support for the network. However, a strong brand can create renewed interest and bring attention back to the project. Whether that leads to a return to previous highs or even a new all-time high remains to be seen. But one thing is certain. Gram is once again becoming a topic of discussion in the crypto community. And now I'd like to hear your thoughts. Do you think the return of Gram could become a major catalyst for the project? Or is it simply a name change with little impact on price? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto and market updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.